Welcome back. This is video part 3 to solve 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Now we're going to solve level 2. At this point, layer 1 is all same color and all white at the bottom. Find the side that has no yellow, which is this and this. I don't want to choose this because there's a yellow here. Now let's solve this side. What color is this? Right, it is green and red. We must find red center. See, this color is green. Find green center. Is it to the left or the right? Yeah, it's at the right. So if we want to put this to the right side, we use the code U prime R prime. Remember, there's a second step. The white. Let's solve this white, put it at the bottom. Look, this white is at the left. If at the left, use the code U prime L prime U L. See? Just now the red green is here and now it moved here. Okay, we repeat the step again. Look at the roof. Which one that is no yellow? This, right, this and this. But there's yellow here, so we just use this one. So we just do the same. Look at this color. This is red. So we need to find red center. Next step, look at this color. It's blue. Find the blue center. It's here. So that means we're gonna move this to here. Look, we're gonna move this to the left. So we use the code U prime L prime U L. Now we do the next step. Look at this white. Remember, always check the position. This is blue. This is blue center. That means this is very correct. Look at this white is at the right. If at the right, we use the code U prime R prime. Just now the red blue was here and now it's here. Let's see whether we have finished second layer. Aha! We still have one more to solve, which is here. Same thing, we look at the roof first. Find the side that has no yellow. This. I don't choose this and this because there's yellow here. This orange already matched the center. Now let's look at this color. It is green. So we move green at the left or at the right. Let's check the green center. What's the green center? Here. So that means I want to go this to here. So the code is U prime, L prime, U, L. Now we do the second step. This color is already matched the center color. White is at the right. If at the right, we use the code U, R, U prime, R prime. See, just now it was here and now it is here. Let's check. All the second level is completed. All the first level is also completed. Bottom is white. Now what if we completed the second level but we have wrong side? This green should be here and this orange should be here. If this is the case, face this left side to you. Then use the codes U, R, U prime, R prime. Now we do the second step, which is we're gonna make this white to the bottom. First, we're gonna position. This is orange, position to orange center. This is correct. After that, if the white at the left, use the code U prime, L prime, U, L. Just now, the green orange was here. Now, they move here. Now, it is here. So, we are going to solve this. Look, this is green. So, we need to find green center. Look, this is orange. Is it going to left or right? So, we need to find orange center. This orange center is at the right. So that means we're gonna move this to the right. How to do it? We use the code U, R, U prime, R prime. Now we do the second step. For position first, this is orange, this is orange center, correct? Look, this one is at the left. U prime, L prime, U, L. Now check the second level. Now all is completed. Hope you enjoy my video. The next video we're going to solve the roof part. Bye.